Today your angel has a special message for you. Your light shines brightest in your toughest times. When things get hard and everything feels uncertain, it's easy to feel lost and overwhelmed. But your angel wants you to know that it's exactly in these tough times that your true strength shows up. The light inside you gets even stronger when you face challenges. Every tough moment you go through is there to show you how strong and tough you really are. Believe in your power to overcome, because even during the darkest times, your light will lead you forward. Your angel has exciting news. A big change is coming your way. You're going to become a new version of yourself. All the hard times, worries, and troubles you've faced will soon be in the past. You're about to start a new chapter in your life, a clean slate. This is the start of something wonderful. All the struggles, money problems, sleepless nights, and personal issues are about to change for the better. Now, your angel is bringing about a big change. The old you, burdened by tough times, is ready to transform. You will leave behind your worries and the panic that once ran your life. The angel plays a crucial role in this transformation, working tirelessly to bring you to this very moment where you can begin the life you truly deserve. You won't have to carry your old struggles anymore. Instead, the angel is giving you a new, brighter version of yourself. You are a good person, always striving to do what's right, but it hasn't always paid off. Your acts of kindness and goodness often went unnoticed, and life hasn't always treated you fairly. But now, the angel is here to ensure that things will change. The angel recognizes the goodness in you and is determined to make sure that this time, life will bring you the joy and peace you deserve. Your old life was filled with sadness and challenges, but now you're on the brink of starting a fresh, happy chapter. As this new chapter begins, the angel assures you that the past troubles will not follow you. The weight of old problems is being lifted, making room for new joys and successes. Imagine starting each day with a lighter heart and a clearer mind, knowing that the angel is watching over you, guiding you towards a better path. The changes will not only affect your personal sense of peace, but also improve your surroundings and relationships. With the angel's guidance, your environment will become more stable and your relationships more fulfilling. Chapter 22. The stresses that once clouded your interactions with others will dissipate, allowing for healthier, more supportive connections. Even your career will take a positive turn, with opportunities that match your true potential and aspirations emerging. This is your time to shine, guided by the angel's light. Every step you take forward will be supported by unseen forces, steering you away from past adversities towards a horizon bright with promise. You will find yourself achieving goals that once seemed out of reach and engaging in new activities that bring you joy. Remember, every new day is a gift from your angel, filled with potential and new possibilities. Embrace this journey with open arms and an open heart. The struggles of yesterday are fading away, and in their place, a future filled with brightness and hope is unfolding. Just keep moving forward and let the angel's presence in your life bring forth endless blessings and new beginnings. Say, Amen, to claim this new life, filled with the happiness and prosperity you've earned through your kindness and strength. Your home used to be a place of chaos, your relationships were strained, and your career wasn't turning out as you had hoped. You often faced disagreements within your family, and finding love seemed like a distant dream. But now things are about to change because your angel is bringing you a fresh start. With the angel's help, your financial situation will improve significantly. More wealth is on its way to you, bringing new opportunities for a better future. You'll be able to upgrade your wardrobe, live more comfortably, and reduce your financial worries. But this change isn't just about having more money. It's also about the new opportunities that money brings. You'll discover new job openings and advancement opportunities that will help you climb the career ladder. These changes will not only boost your professional life, but also enhance your personal life. Your relationships with family and those you love will begin to heal. The angel is smoothing out the rough edges in these areas of your life, paving the way for more love and peace. You're on the verge of starting a new chapter where your relationships will flourish. Imagine waking up each day feeling hopeful, with fewer burdens and more reasons to smile. Your interactions with others will become more joyful and less fraught with tension. This fresh start will give you the chance to reshape not only your finances, but also your personal connections. As you step into this new phase, you'll find yourself surrounded by positivity. The newfound financial stability will allow you to explore hobbies and interests that were previously out of reach, bringing additional joy into your life. This isn't just a financial upgrade. It's a comprehensive enhancement of your lifestyle. Your angel is committed to seeing you thrive. Under this guidance, you'll feel more empowered to make decisions that align with your desires and goals. The struggles of the past will begin to fade, replaced by a clarity and purpose that propel you forward. Each step you take will be supported by the angel's presence, ensuring that this new path leads to fulfillment and success. This is a time of transformation, so embrace these changes with open arms. The challenges you've faced have prepared you for this moment, making you ready to accept the blessings and prosperity that are now flowing into your life. Let go of the old worries and welcome this new era with confidence and hope. Your angel is by your side, guiding you to a brighter, more prosperous future where your relationships thrive and your career flourishes. Say yes to this fresh start and watch as your world transforms into something wonderful. Providence Prayer. Providence Prayer. Providence Prayer. The angel is working hard to bring these positive changes into your life. It's opening up new opportunities for you and ensuring that the good luck you deserve is on its way. With the angel's help, more blessings are coming into your life, allowing you to leave behind the hard times and start anew. This fresh start is a wonderful reason to feel joyful. The angel is infusing your days with positive energy and giving you a new perspective. You'll feel lighter, more hopeful, and enthusiastic about what the future holds. Every new aspect of your life now will be beneficial and filled with possibilities for growth. You are beginning a new phase in your life, and it's the perfect time to embrace it fully. The angel reassures you that you deserve happiness because you've consistently tried to do what's right. Now, it's your turn to receive the goodness and strength you've given to others. This new chapter in your life is packed with opportunities, from increasing your financial well-being to enhancing your personal happiness, and the angel is guiding you every step of the way. Imagine a life where each day holds a promise of joy, and every moment is a chance to grow stronger and more fulfilled. You'll find yourself exploring new hobbies and reigniting old passions, all while the angel supports your journey. These new activities will not only bring you happiness, but also a sense of achievement as you discover more about your talents and interests. Your relationships with friends and family are also set to improve. The angel is smoothing over past conflicts and misunderstandings, helping you build stronger, more loving connections with those around you. As these relationships flourish, you'll find that your support network is stronger than ever, providing you with love and encouragement as you explore your new path. Moreover, your career is about to take a leap forward. With the angel's guidance, you're likely to encounter new job opportunities that better match your skills and aspirations. These opportunities could lead to significant advancements, making your work life more satisfying and financially rewarding. As you move forward, remember that this transformation is something to celebrate. The struggles of the past have prepared you for this moment of renewal. Embrace the changes with an open heart and watch as your life aligns more closely with your dreams. The angel is making sure that all the new things entering your life are aimed at bringing you success and happiness. So, say amen to welcome this beautiful transformation. Accept the good changes that are flowing towards you and prepare to enjoy the rewards of your positive actions and kind heart. This is not just a new chapter. It's a whole new beginning, filled with endless possibilities and the angel's continued guidance and support. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20. If by some reason you can't make $20 anymore, please do return the contribution you made this month to your local library.